Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to cancel your Adobe account subscription. So guys, if you want to cancel the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription with no cancellation fees, so guys, it is very easy. First thing is guys, if you want that there is no cancellation fees, so guys, make sure that you closed your subscription and cancel your subscription within the 14 days after they purchased. If the 14-day window is closed, so you are unable to refund a single amount. Okay, after that you simply go for the options of your Adobe, and guys, here you see the option of accounts, so simply click here. After that, go for the option of manage account. In manage account section, you simply go downward, and guys, here you see there is the option of manage account. So when you go here, so guys, here you see Creative Cloud Pro, and here you see the option of manage plan, so you simply click on it. Okay, manage plan, and guys, you just wait a second, and guys, here you see change plan. If you want to change and upgrade your plan, so you go for change plan, and for cancel your plan and trial version, you just go here. Okay, so this is the way that you can do, and guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.